nations, constant war for constant soldiers. What are we gonna do now? De-escalation through military force, increase the pressure. Oh God, Melissa, what should we do about the situation in Iran, in North Korea? God, Melissa! Under martial law, an Iraqi president out of control of our choices. After all this death and destruction, do you really think your actions advocate freedom? The president's given a speech in Georgetown to remember the voice of a slave civil rights leader. Do you understand what the martyr stood for? Oh God!